Why are so many people broke? People stay broke simply because they perceive money as when your salary comes in, it just needs to go out and vanish. That's not the case. You need to be 100% smarter and wiser working with your money, buying cheaper things so that you can have money to save, to invest, to build businesses. Human beings are always repairing their mistakes in the past, and that affects your future. Now you are in a difficult position. You cannot save, invest, build businesses because of your mistakes in the past. And yes, we all make those mistakes, including myself. I have to repair mistakes I've made in the past, taking out loans, going to borrow money at places, wasting money, all the mistakes I've made, not being smarter, wiser enough to educate myself based upon financial literacy. I understand when people are in a low paying job, that will be solely 100% hard for you to save, to invest, to build businesses. So what do? You live a bit cheaper. Live in your means. Do not overspend or buy expensive stuff. That is the worst mistake. You are doing yourself a huge disservice for future references. You need to be smart to a point of what can I do to allow this income to grow? What can I do? You need to think of ways and means. Where can you invest in? Can you invest in stocks, in bonds, in products, in services, in companies? Where can you invest in so that your income can grow? Number two, which business can you start? Can you start business number one, business number two, business number three? Do you need capital for that business? Which business can you start that do not need capital, but whereby you can start this business and for free of charge, and you can start earning an income, recurring streams of income, subscriptions, membership. This way you won't be burned out, always on that hamster wheel of doing videos, doing online marketing, or doing any business, and you can be burned out. You got it. And number three, saving. Save 5 to 10% of your income.